Today we will see what are trig functions of special right triangles. Why we call them special? There is some property in a triangle that has acute angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees, and with right triangles that have acute angles of 45 degrees. Why is that case? Let's draw one equilateral triangle, and let's denote its vertices by A, B, and C. So equilateral, all of its sides have length x. What we know about equilateral triangle is that altitude of equilateral triangle starting at C ends at midpoint of AB. So if we denote this point by C1, we know that AC1 is congruent to segment C1B. We will denote right angle here. And let's say that we have, because this triangle is equilateral, it means that all of its interior angles are 60 degrees. This one is also 60 degrees. Angle C, I will write that here, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. And what is the property of altitude of equilateral triangle? That is, it bisects angle C. So in that case, this angle C1, CB is equal to 30 degrees. We'll write that here. So now we can consider this right triangle C1 BC. This triangle has angles of 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So what we can say about its legs and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we already denoted by x, and we know that C1b leg is x half. Now we will apply Pythagorean theorem to this triangle, and we will get that C1 squared is equal to x squared minus x half squared so this is x squared minus x squared over 4 which is 3x squared over 4. which means that CC1 is square root of 3 over 2x. Okay, so we know that in a right triangle of acute angles 30 and 60 degrees, we have this situation, this relation. What that tells us for sine and cosine of that triangle. So sine of 30 degrees equals opposite leg, which is x half, over hypotenuse, which is x. When we solve this double fraction, we get that this is equal to 1/2. Sine of 30 degrees is 1/2, and let's find cosine of 30. Cosine of 30 is adjacent leg, which is in our case root 3 over 2x. Over hypotenuse, which is x. Solving double fraction, we get that cosine of 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. Let's find sine and cosine of 60 degrees. Sine of 60 degrees, opposite leg, which is root 3 over 2x in our case, over hypotenuse, which is x, and that is equal root 3 over 2. In the same way, cosine of 60 degrees, adjacent leg, which is x over 2, over hypotenuse, which is x, and solving double fraction, we get 1/2. A small exercise for you is to find tangent of angles of 30 and 60 degrees and cotangent function of angles of 30 and 60 degrees. You can write me your answers in comments of this video. See you soon.